Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, how did all this get here? Well, you're not alone. Scientists have pondered this question for centuries, and their best answer is the Big Bang Theory. Imagine the entire universe squeezed into a space smaller than a pinhead. It's mind-boggling, right? That's the Big Bang in a nutshell. This tiny point was incredibly hot and dense, but then bam, it exploded with unimaginable force, and the universe was born. The Big Bang wasn't just an explosion of stuff, though. It was the beginning of space and time itself. Pretty wild, huh? So, when did this epic cosmic event go down? Well, scientists estimate that the Big Bang happened about 13.8 billion years ago. That's billion with a B. To put that into perspective, if the entire history of the universe were compressed into a single year, humans would have only shown up in the last few seconds of December 31st. Talk about fashionably late. It's hard to wrap our heads around such vast stretches of time. But one thing is certain. The universe has been around for a very, very long time. Right after the Big Bang, the universe was incredibly hot. I'm talking hotter than your grandma's kitchen when she's baking her famous cookies. How hot, you ask? Try a mind-melting 10 to the 32nd power degrees Kelvin. That's a 1 with 32 zeros after it. At these temperatures, atoms couldn't even form yet. Everything was just a chaotic soup of elementary particles zipping around at nearly the speed of light. It took a while for things to cool down enough for atoms to form, but when they did, the universe began to take shape. One of the most mind-blowing facts about the Big Bang is that the universe is still expanding today. Imagine that, the cosmos stretching out further and further, like an endless canvas being painted upon. It's like blowing up a balloon and never tying it off. The air keeps rushing in, and the balloon keeps getting bigger and bigger, with no end in sight. This expansion was discovered in the 1920s by astronomer Edwin Hubble, who noticed that galaxies are moving away from us. His observations were groundbreaking and changed our understanding of the universe forever. And the farther away they are, the faster they're moving. It's as if the universe has a speed limit that increases with distance. It's like the universe is playing a giant game of cosmic dodgeball, and everyone is running away from each other. Each galaxy is dodging and weaving, creating an ever-expanding dance of celestial bodies. This expansion tells us that the universe was once much smaller and denser than it is today, which supports the Big Bang Theory. From a tiny, incredibly dense point, it has grown into the vast, magnificent universe we see now, filled with stars, planets, and endless possibilities. Section 5. Leftovers from the Big Bang Cosmic microwave background radiation. Remember that incredibly hot early universe we talked about? It was a time when the universe was a seething, boiling cauldron of energy and particles. Well, believe it or not, we can still detect the faint afterglow of that heat today. This afterglow is a crucial piece of evidence for the Big Bang Theory. It's called the Cosmic Microwave Background Radiation, or CMB for short, and it's like a baby picture of the universe, when it was just 380,000 years old. This snapshot shows us the universe in its infancy, providing a glimpse into its early structure. This radiation was discovered accidentally in 1964 by two scientists named Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson, who initially thought their antenna was malfunctioning. They were puzzled by a persistent noise that seemed to come from every direction in the sky. Turns out, they had stumbled upon one of the most important discoveries in cosmology. Their finding provided strong support for the Big Bang theory and opened up new avenues for understanding the universe's origins and evolution. Section 6. The universe is a teenager, awkward but full of potential. The universe has come a long way since its fiery birth. Over billions of years, it's cooled down, expanded, and given rise to galaxies, stars, planets, and even life. But even though it's been around for a while, the universe is still evolving and changing. It's like a teenager, going through growth spurts, experiencing some awkward phases, but ultimately full of potential. Who knows what amazing discoveries await us as we continue to explore the cosmos? Section 7. The mystery of dark matter and dark energy. As scientists have studied the universe, they've encountered some pretty big mysteries. These mysteries challenge our understanding and push the boundaries of what we know. One of the biggest is the existence of dark matter and dark energy. These enigmatic components are crucial to the structure and expansion of the universe. These mysterious substances make up the vast majority of the universe's mass and energy, but we can't see them or interact with them directly. They are invisible and elusive, yet their presence is undeniable. It's like trying to bake a cake and realizing you only have the flour and sugar. You know there's something else there, but you can't quite put your finger on it. The missing ingredients are essential, but remain hidden from view. Scientists are still trying to figure out what dark matter and dark energy are. But their existence has profound implications for our understanding of the universe. They influence the formation of galaxies, the behavior of cosmic structures, and the ultimate fate of the cosmos. The quest to uncover their secrets continues, driving innovation and discovery in the field of astrophysics. Section 8. Are we alone? The search for life beyond Earth. One of the most profound questions we can ask is whether or not we're alone in the universe. The sheer vastness of the cosmos suggests that there could be other planets out there capable of supporting life. But so far, we haven't found any concrete evidence. It's like searching for a needle in a haystack the size of a galaxy. Still, scientists are actively searching for signs of extraterrestrial life, and the discovery of even a single microbe on another planet would be one of the most significant events in human history. Section 9. The Big Bang, the ultimate fireworks show. The Big Bang is one of the most mind-blowing concepts in science. It tells us that our universe has a beginning, that it's constantly evolving, and that we're all part of something much grander than ourselves. It's like the universe put on the most spectacular fireworks show imaginable, and we're lucky enough to be here to witness the afterglow. As we continue to explore the cosmos and unravel its mysteries, one thing is certain: the Big Bang will continue to inspire awe and wonder for generations to come.